Hi guys, today we are going to unbox the new XQISIT VR headset. So keep watching the video. I am going to unbox it and check its box contents. Hi guys, it's our VR headset of XQISIT, and on the box we get some specification that it connects Android and iOS, 360 videos and photos, integrated earphones, and on the top of the box you get your VR headset pick. So we have to pull it out from the packing and we have to pull it out. Yeah. Let's open the box. So guys, it's the box of VR headset. We have to open it and we get some type of package. We have to pull it out and check what we get in the box. Okay, we have removed the packing and we get the cleaning cloth of VR glasses, okay, to clean our VR headset. Okay, so another thing we get is the instruction manual. Yeah, it's the instruction manual. Okay, we have to put it there, and it's our VR headset. We have to take it out from the box. Yeah, here we go. So guys, it's our VR headset. Here you can see it's looking very awesome. You can adjust these headphones like this. Another one is also the adjustable headphone, and you can also adjust it with your head size, and it's looking very comfortable. And the VR headset looks like this from the inside, and when we push this button, and we have to put our smartphone here for videos and movies, and here is the 3.5 mm of headphone jack wire for the sound, and it's looking awesome. On the bottom you get the OK button and a volume up and down option. Here's the OK button and it's the volume up and down. You can also receive a call while you are watching a videos, like pressing it. And the another thing is you can also zoom in and zoom out. You can also adjust it by going like this. It's looking great, and I can show you by opening this. It looks like this when you zoom in and zoom out, and it looks like this from the inside when you move these. So it's a complete package of XQISIT VR headset. It's looking awesome. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel